guys, it's Cade
and Jade,
and today we'll be doing our first
slime making video.
And the next video we'll be posting is a slime machine. But so let's get on with the video. So we are going to start making our slime, and the thing you will need is a mixing utensil, something to mix in, and then this is optional. We're going to be doing icing sparkles, like icing sparkles.
It's for makeup, but yeah, but we don't care.
See, it's super...
You can't really see that.
Oh, sparkly.
I might just put my slime in that.
Here, go ahead.
Oh yeah. Okay. So the actual ingredients you'll be needing is Elmer's glue, which is preferred, but you can also use place school glue. Your slime will just turn out like that,
Super liquidy.
and you're off my fingers. Okay, and you will also be needing liquid detergent, contact solution, or borax, and shaving cream.
So let's get on with the video. Okay, only half a bottle.
Wait, you have to put more than me.
No, I only have half left in my bottle. You just used the whole bottle.
Oops. It's as much as yours, though. That's exactly as much.
No, yours is thicker.
Oh, well.
Mine's like hanging, like you won't. Stop. Get lower so you can like be in it. Oh my god. Sorry, she's being difficult. There. My glue won't come out. Hang on.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I just got my elbow. Okay. Now we're going to add the shaving cream, but first you gotta obviously remove the cap. I'm dumb.
I'm not gonna add shaving cream. Should I make one without shaving cream?
It's not gonna work. I've already tried it before. It doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
Shaving cream.
I'm gonna try, okay? Here, I'll just get like a spoon.
Just add it to the glue. It's fine. You can just add the shaving cream later.
No, I don't want to.
Here, I'll pour it.
That's okay.
So if it works, like if it works better without the shaving cream, I'm gonna wait until she's done to experiment with it.
No, you have to do it all by yourself.
I'm not gonna.
But I'm pretty sure it will.
There we go.
You just add it.
Okay, I'm going to mix the mixture. Sorry.
Yeah, it comes together just fine. Look, it's like coming together.
You never work with me. It's because it's me.
Move that slime so you don't get it in your shirt anymore.
Yeah, I already got it in my elbow.
Stop!
I'm not gonna get it in my new slime. It's okay. Is that hair? Oh, our detergent's spilling. Okay. I thought that was hair, guys. That mark, that like shadow in the. Yeah.
Anyways, she's being weird.
I am being weird. You're right.
I feel like it'll make a better sound without shaving cream. Kind of.
Really?
Maybe, I don't know.
Shaving cream by itself just makes a good noise.
I said I don't know, okay?
Let's go that by myself. Yeah.
See, if you lean back, you can begin.
Ow, my back. By the way, guys, sorry about the setting.
Because we are in...
Not in our new house yet.
Yeah, because we just moved from Arkansas to Colorado. So we will be in our house soon. Would you stop?
I'm doing this.
Yeah, stop. It looks like you're trying to, like, imitate me or whatever it's called. See, look, it's actually doing really good. See?
It's disgusting.
It's
really
can't
bad.
see you.
I don't care. My face is ugly anyway. Okay.
Okay, now you just sound vain.
What?
Yeah, that's good.
What?
Looks like it's falling.
It's not falling.
It's falling off the
It's got this in your
stand.
shirt.
It's okay.
Good job. Good job, buds.
It looked like it was falling off its stand.
Okay, I mixed this for a while, guys, so don't be mad at me. Okay, I added the sparkles before I add the contact solution, so...
Oh, I should have done that.
Okay, there's the sparkles. Oh, you can see so much better now.
Dude, don't add so much. I want some in mine. I feel like it's gonna get all of my hands.
Oh my gosh.
Is it pretty?
It's so shiny.
They probably can't see it in the camera though.
I can't even see it anymore. I can see it. I don't think you guys can see it though.
They can't. See, look, without the shaving cream, it like cleans your bowl. Look, Jay. Like, watch. Okay, look. It like cleans your bowl.
I don't care. It's too big for me now.
Look, guys, it worked. Okay, I'm gonna add some. I want to get on my knees.
Mine looks like marshmallow glue. Like, okay, I'm actually gonna look this, guys. Parents' supervision and permission is.
It's not allowed, and she's being silly. Don't really stop. Don't really do it.
I just want to see our experiments, right?
No.
Yes.
No. No, because parents are gonna be like, they're encouraging them to eat glue and shaving cream. Seriously. Do not do it.
No,
If you really want to do it off video, because
you think I can? No, I'm kidding. I love you guys so much. We already got 2 views on our last video, which is actually a big deal for me.
it looks super good.
You got sparkles to yours?
A little bit, yeah. I'm really impressed with it, really, actually.
I am not finished with mine yet, so
Have you
I'm
not?
still mixing with shaving cream in it, guys.
I'm not.
Like, here, I'm gonna speed this up for you guys. I'm sorry, I gotta make this faster. Okay, so. Activator in it, guys. So, sorry, I didn't put that on camera. I probably should have, but I didn't.
Yeah, because they are, like, super loud here. It's, like, bad. Like,
Activator. They are real. You're like overcrowding your side. I'm like out of the view.
then move. Push. No, don't move it toward us. The further back it is, the better it is.
Whenever I'm naked, I can't do it well. It's not fair.
I'm gonna start needing my.
Gee, you're older than me though. So.
Oh, boo hoo.
That's fair.
I hate when people do that.
You're older than me, so I'm gonna beat you up.
Yeah, I can lay hands on you just because, but you can't lay hands on me just because I'm younger than you.
Yeah, we've gotten into fights all the time, and I started it, so. Like that. Or you get off me.
Oh gosh, kneading is hard. I need shaving cream. I'm just kidding. I'm doing this without shaving cream. I'm even handing the shaving cream.
Yeah. It makes a better noise. I don't know that yet.
You didn't even know yet.
I just said that.
Like,
You got me down on my knees. Oh.
don't. Going to hurt you.
Oh, ew. I gotta like make my bowl clean like hers. Who can have to clean this bowl? I think she's gonna win. I think she's gonna win. I think we started off with like this disaster and she
I
ended
didn't.
with that.
I didn't start off with that disaster.
Really nice. But my slime was kind of weird.
Yeah, you always make weird slime. Like, okay, this is my slime from last time, which just broke because someone left it out and didn't put it in a bag.
It didn't like that. It wasn't me.
Super stretchy.
So what I
And then
need.
show them yours. Let's see.
Mine's not even bad. Why are you making your acting look like bad? Mine is just not bad.
It's super sticky.
No, it's not.
Yeah, because you keep moving it around. I can do this.
Watch.
Because you have shaving cream on your hands, you cheater.
I put them on before they even said we're gonna do that. Plus, I fixed it, so. It used to be sticky though, guys. It was really sticky.
Yeah, it looked like this.
Oh, no, it didn't. It was way better than that.
No. It looked like trash, okay?
You got me done. The sentence is stuck in my head. I can't. I need to like cry myself to sleep because that movie was kind of weird.
Oh, you need more activator.
I'm gonna start eating it in a minute. Not too sure yet.
I really like mine, but we will be back when Jaden's done.
Yes, it's because this is taking too
Kneading
long and
hurts.
I don't know what to do, so.
She only played it because she knows my hands look like this right now.
That is not my plate because mine looks amazing. And yeah, hers looks awful.
Yeah, that's not, yeah. She would
See,
wait
my bowl's
until...
clean. My bowl's clean.
Mine's cleaner than yours.
Yours is cleaner, but mine's still clean. See?
See, you only played the video to show them that my slime isn't needed yet.
First of all, I quick edited it and, well, not just now, but.
Duh!
Can
Can you please add more activator on mine?
Yeah,
I did it
mine's
to
look
you.
great.
Add more activator to me!
She's jealous. See how it feels now?
No, I can make my slime good. I just helped you and you were like ignoring me. That's good. Jesus. Mm-mm.
I've been more obsessed with her. I've been obsessed with slime since it was like a thing.
Me too. I've made it. Show them.
What am I gonna do?
Karma.
I swear. I swear.
It's called karma.
Guys! Oh my... What?
So-
What do you
How
want?
heathens.
Sorry about that.
She's so stubborn. She won't just leave us alone, but whatever.
Anyway, guys, this is the disaster that happened to my shirt.
Because she was being mean to me and
But
it's
my
karma.
friend's still better. It's okay. Watch me just drop it on your hair.
Yeah, and my dad would kill you.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do.
You're right. He would kill me.
Yeah, because I have pretty hair.
He loves me.
Okay. Just because you're going to live with me doesn't mean that, no.
Really?
Yeah, Maddie, live with me more, definitely.
Wait, guys. Okay.
So this is probably going to be the end of the video, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
See, our slime look really good, actually.
I got a bubble in my slime.
So,
You just get my hand out of the slime. Sorry about that, guys.
gosh, my foot's asleep.
Yeah, me too. I've been sitting on it, like on my knees.
I can't feel my toes. Is that? Oh my gosh, I can't feel my toes.
Okay, guys. So mine's a bit sticky. It's not as sticky as hers.
Add some more activator, okay? Jeez.
Yeah, that's what I say with my old slime.
You know what's funny? Our old slime is the same as that color. Your
Oh
old slime.
yeah, because the freaking we used blue detergent. What do you expect? I want to use orange detergent. Even though blue's my favorite color. They do have orange detergent.
What?
Detergent.
What? Like what detergent's orange?
Oh, there's some Tide, mostly Tide.
We're using Tide right now.
I said there are some.
Just because the bottle's orange doesn't mean the
I
freaking
know.
detergent is
I
orange.
know. I've seen orange Tide before. Comment down below if you see orange. I'm not sticky.
Guess you got it all over some of her hands.
That's because I did this. I was like,
Okay, so I added more shaving cream to mine, but
I added more sparkles to mine.
and I added more sparkles to mine too.
I added like a tiny little like drop that was like, well, I mean I added that, but I added like a drop that was like that. So, of shaving cream to mine. My dad's scared of loud noises.
So is mine.
Still, so.
But you know you gotta. And the container we will be using for our slime is
Plastic baggies.
because we're not at our house right now and all of our things are in storage. So
Yeah.
and they're not Ziploc either. They're fold over. So they're really good. So this is the end of the video. So we will be posting every Monday and Friday. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.